Uttermost exploding star modern abstract art. Buy now at furnishmyplace.com. This stunning piece of artwork will bring a vibrant, expressive quality to any design. A rich burst of gray and teal is met with bright, metallic gold accents. The artwork is hand-painted on canvas that is stretched on wooden stretchers. A petite, silver leaf gallery frame completes the piece. Due to the handcrafted nature of this artwork, each piece may have subtle differences. This piece may be hung horizontal or vertical.